This is Excel Champ. Thanks for tuning in. In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to make a bar chart with a target line similar to what we see here. This is great for many different applications, and the one we're going to be doing, it's going to show you a monthly sales volume with a target, and in using this chart, we could easily see who's meeting their target and who's missing it. So for this, we're going to be using our sample sales data set here, where we have a sales rep, their monthly sales, and a monthly target that they need to hit for the month. You're going to want to make sure that your data is set up in a similar way to this so that this works for you. So what we're going to do first is just highlight our data. We're going to go up to the top and hit Insert. Go over to Bar Chart, and we're going to pick this first one on a 2D bar chart. Just going to adjust this so it fits. And right now our data doesn't really make sense or show what we want to do. We want to have our target line. So in this second bar here, the orange one, we're going to right click on that and go to Change Series Chart Type. Once this window pops up, you'll see we have our two different data points here, our monthly sales volume and our monthly target. We're going to want to change our monthly target from cluster column to line. And once we do that, we can see that our chart is transformed into our target line. And we're going to want to change this a little bit too to make it a little bit more presentable. What I always like to do is format the back of these charts to be gray just so it stands out a little bit. And we're going to want to format our target line here to look more like a target line. So if you right click on it, hit Format Data Series, go over to the paint bucket. Let's change the color to red. The width, we're going to crank this up a little bit. Then our dash type, we want to make it a dotted line to make it look more like a target line. Now if we wanted to change our target line, say everyone has a little bit different of a target, we could change those numbers here, and we'll see our line will adjust to what our targets are. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more Excel content.